Alright, what's up, gang? Right now I'm on my way. Well, I'm getting ready. I'm on my way to the airport. I missed Wednesday's upload just because pure negligence. My camera wasn't loaded. I had written out a script and everything about what the video was going to be about. But when I went to go charge, none of my batteries were charged. And that's just me being unprepared. Just being flat out honest. But yeah, like I said, I'm on my way to the airport. Well, I'm going to get ready to go to the airport. My dog hit me up. Oh, my brother, my dog, but same thing. My brother hit me up telling me like, hey, you want to go to Portland with me? I'm going to go out there for a couple days. And I thought to myself, like, fuck it, why not? Like, when am I ever going to get an opportunity to just, like, drop what I'm doing? When I haven't dropped what I'm doing, I had nothing to drop, right? Like, I have an online business that generates me money no matter where the fuck I'm at. I could be in, fuck India somewhere, or somewhere in Africa, somewhere in Mexico, anywhere, and still be making money. And I get to travel for free because of my business, because of the credit card points that occur while running the business. So this is like the beautiful part about being a digital nomad, as gay as that sounds. Like, you're able to just like take your business, your job with you, because it's not tied down to a certain location. So I'm gonna get ready, I'm gonna finish packing, and I'll see y'all at the airport. Peace out, boys. Alright, gang, we made it. Another hour and a half till my flight leaves. Got here early just in case, because you never know. But dude, I'm gonna get some work done, lock in, and find my gate.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.
Alright, gang, we got to our terminal. I just want to give you guys an update on the store.
Terminal, this is an announcement for flight Iberia 6170 destinations to Madrid and connections. If you have not verified your documents yet, like an Iberia representative downstairs at the counters, don't web check in only.
That's about 1,800 in sales today, and on the month. On the month, we've done around 41 in sales, so we're on pace to hit 90K. We'll more than likely hit it. This is around 25% margins. Margins have dropped just because we're scaling using the creatives we've made have not hit, and we're still scaling our best winning creative, and the frequency is high, so we got to bring the frequency down. But that's where we're at today. I'm just gonna get some work done, and then I'll catch y'all when I'm on the plane.
Every time I get up on the mic, I come correct, and I learned it from the best. Always dressing something fresh, looking for a little dime, big button, nice chest. Yes, they heard I used to rock, yes, but now I'm rocking clothes.
Alright, I didn't really record too much out in the airport or like in the actual airplane itself, but I just got to Portland. Just got to my room. I'm in downtown Portland. I'm gonna go get something to eat and then come back here, finish up this video, and finish my store, because I think we ended the day like around 2K in sales. So I'm gonna set up the campaigns for tomorrow or later on tonight because it's in another country. But I'm hungry. I'm gonna get something to eat. I'll tap in with you boys in about 2 hours, hour and a half. Well, the next clip for you, but for me about 2 hours. Don't ever come to Portland, downtown Portland. This shit's boring. There's literally nothing to do here. There's nothing but fucking fresh air and crackheads everywhere. That's about it. Like, I'm staying in this hotel. Pretty cool view, I guess. I mean, I literally booked it last minute. My bro canceled on me, so I'm here in Portland, Dolo. I'm only gonna be here till Sunday. It's currently Thursday. I might just leave a day early because this fucking sucks here. But as I was walking around, bro, I just kept seeing so many fucking, like, this city has no energy. Like, there's no like fucking, there's nothing special about this place besides the greenery, bro. Like, other than like the nature, there's not much about the city going on. It is only Thursday, but walking around, bro, and you're seeing like crackheads everywhere just made me realize that legit no one's gonna come save you. No one. It doesn't matter what situation you're in, like what you're, like whatever state you're currently in, whether you're broke, overweight, like the only person that's stopping you from getting out of that current situation is you. Like, take these homeless people, for example. Most of them they're probably on drugs. Like, probably 80% of them are on drugs. And, like, that's a vice. It's an addiction. Yeah, it's hard to kick, but it's not impossible, bro. There's someone out there who's on crack, who's on weed, who's on heroin, who's on something, and they kicked it. Like, the fact that one person did it, it's like the concept, the dude who ran a 4-minute mile, and no one thought it was possible, then everyone started running 4-minute miles. That's the same thing with legitimately anything, bro. Think about the last time that you thought something was impossible or you couldn't do it and you did it. Like, this online internet space, this internet money shit, you probably never made $1 online and you think it's impossible. You think you can't do it yourself. You think everyone's selling you some shit because they can't do it. And yes, there is some truth to that. Some people sell you shit because they don't actually do it themselves, but this shit's real, bro. Once you get your first $1 online, you're gonna feel like you can make 10, 100, a million. Like, the limits are only in your fucking mind. That's why all these people out here who are doing drugs, who are on the fucking streets, like, I walk past them, I sympathize, I'm like, damn, like, you were someone's baby. Like, you were once just someone's little bundle of joy, now you're here doing crack on the street. And it's just sad, bro. But, like, I had to kick back in and think that no one forced them to do that. Like, we're all products of our choices, not our environment. Your environment, yeah, you can't really change that if you're a kid, unless you're like, you turn 18 and you move out. But at the end of the day, you're conscious. You're a conscious being. You make the choices that you want to fucking make. And if you're not aware, like, most people are not self-aware. They're on this hamster wheel and they just do every day. It's like Groundhog Day, same day over and over and over. Like, I just booked a flight to Portland on 2 days' notice just because my brother wanted me to come out here with him, and he's not even fucking here. But still, I'm still gonna make the best of it. But, like, spontaneity and moving serendipitously, it literally keeps the soul alive. It literally keeps the soul on fire, bro. And if you're not aware of the choices that you're fucking making, you're gonna be on this constant hamster wheel, and just one day you're gonna be 50, one day you're gonna be 35, one day you're gonna be 45, and you're gonna realize, damn, I've literally just been repeating the same day over and over, and the highlights of my fucking week, month, year, life are just going to the bar with my fucking friends. Like, if that's the current state you're in, take the time to realize that no one's going to change your life for you. Not me, not some fucking other guru on here. No one's gonna come and save you, dog. Literally nobody. Nobody's gonna come save you, bro. So, take a step back. Go out to the park. Go somewhere quiet and be alone with your thoughts. No phone, no nothing. Ask yourself what it is that you truly fucking want. What do you want to make? What changes do you want in your life? What do you want to make happen? And then work backwards from that. Because most of the time, it's not getting more. It's letting go of certain things to get the things that you actually want. Like, if you want to start an online business, you probably have to let go of playing fucking video games. You probably have to let go of some social life. Like, to get to this next level that you want to get to, it's not about getting more. It's about letting go and giving less and putting your time and focus into certain things that are going to propel you forward. Because if you have vices, if you're smoking weed all day, if you're smoking weed at least once a day, and you work a 9-to-5 job, and you're not going to school, or you're just going to work, smoking weed, come home and play video games, like, if that's all you're gonna do, and just like keep living the same life over and over again without actually trying to make real change, you're literally disrespecting the universe. You're disrespecting God. You're disrespecting the people in your life who count on you, bro. It wasn't until I realized that even though you might not have like an audience, or like, there's someone who looks up to you, bro. There's someone in your immediate circle, someone who knows you, who looks at you as inspiration to keep going no matter what it is, bro. You think just because your life isn't quote unquote special, which it is special because you only get one of these motherfuckers, but just because your life isn't quote unquote special as far as like what you see on the internet or what you see on TV, there's someone who looks at you and admires you, and you can't let that person down. And if you're going to be the type of person who's going to be like, no, Cruz, no one actually does that, don't even watch my channel, bro. Like, get out of here, for real. But if you are, bro, like, if you're someone who has dreams and goals and aspires to do more, I promise you, cutting things out is going to get you more things. Like, obviously, if you want to lose weight, you gotta cut out the junk food. By cutting back, you actually get more. You get in better shape. You get a better health. Same thing with fucking like this online business, like making money online. Maybe you're someone who plays video games a lot. If you just stop and put down the control, and for that 2 hours you're playing video games, you actually learn an online skill. You learn how to do copy. You learn how to build websites. You learn how to run ads. You learn how to sell product. Like, you just learn instead of being fucking consumer centric. You're just consuming all day. Because there's two people in this fucking world, bro. There's two people in this world. There's people who do what they want, and there's people who could do what they can. I'm number one. I'm gonna stay number one. I'm gonna be number one, bro. And you are too if you just stop consuming all day. Because if you think about it, what does your life look like right now? Be honest, don't fucking lie. What does your life look like right now? Are you just going to work, coming home, indulging in video games, porn, or whatever it is that you know you shouldn't be doing, but it makes life seem bearable? Like even having to use that fucking word in regards to your life, like it makes it bearable. Like, bro, you're better than that. You deserve more. You want more. You wouldn't be fucking watching this type of video. So take the time to realize what it is that you don't want. What it is that what's stopping you from actually getting to that next level. And most of the time, it's just you sitting down and just focusing on what you really want. Because most of you probably don't even take the time to sit down and think. Like, legit, as simple as that sounds, like, sit down in a room and just think and ask yourself, I want this. What do I really want? Where am I? Like, what? All the choices that you've made in your life have brought you to this exact moment right now, watching this fucking video. Think about how crazy that is. Every decision you ever made has brought you to this video, and either you're watching this video and you're resonating with what I'm saying, or you're just like gonna watch another video recommended and go in this loophole of just consuming bullshit, bro. I make this video raw, like basically uncut, besides the little edits in the beginning, because you need to hear this shit, man. Like, the sooner you get this to your fucking heads, the sooner you start living a life that you actually start living a life, not just fucking being alive. You actually start living a life. And this is me ranting, boys. You know, this is basically what you get on this channel for. So, I apologize for not uploading on Wednesday. Negligence on my part, pure negligence. But you can expect videos twice a week. This one's going out either Saturday and another one Sunday. But you're getting 2 videos this week. You'll for sure always get 2 videos. 2 videos a week. Subscribe, follow all my socials, and I appreciate you watching, because you could be doing anything else right now, but you're spending your time with me, and I truly appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. And I'm getting better at making these videos. Like, this is all just a testing shit for me too, because I like talking to a camera. I like just knowing that this message can help someone. This could literally save someone's life. This can change someone's life. So if you're watching this, start filming and start documenting your life, because the power of your tongue holds weight, and you can say something positive and change someone's life. So don't be a pussy. Change your life, help others, inspire others, and just do more. Carpe diem, boys. Peace out.